To prepare for the upcoming test, let's go over these problems. So first, I'm just going to write the formula, desired times supply over half, and the order is 20 milligrams. So 20 milligrams times supply, which is 1 ml, over 10 milligrams, you multiply that, so 20 times 1 over 10, that will equal to 2 ml. Alright, so now we're gonna mark the proper syringe. So on your exam, you have to choose the right equipment and then mark it. So the result is 2 ml. So which syringe am I gonna use? Not the first one, right? Because the first one is just for insulin only. Remember, insulin only. It doesn't matter if the medication comes in unit. So the first one is an insulin syringe for insulin only. The second one, the 1 ml syringe or the tuberculin syringe, is only used if you need something that's less than 1 ml. Sorry about that. It's actually less than 1 ml, not equal to. So less than 1 ml. So we can't use this one, right? Now we have the 3 ml syringe. This is the right one to use. Why? Because our answer is greater than 1 ml. We have 2 ml, so we mark that and then we shade it. Now let's solve for this order. So we have enalapril or Vasotec. So the order is 0.625 milligrams IV. I write the formula, so 0.625 times 1 ml, which is the supply, and then 1.25 milligrams would be your half. Cancel that out, then we're left with ml. And the answer is 0.5 ml. Now we're gonna find the right syringe and we're gonna mark it. So that's your answer, you guys. Okay, again, this is all our selection. So we need 0.5 mLs. Again, we can't use the first one because this is for insulin use only. So I'm just marking this just to help you review, but you don't need to mark this like this on the exam, just the one that you need. So you don't have to cross out the one that you don't need. So the last one is not the right one either because we need 0.5 ml, and this last one is only if it's greater than or equal to 1 ml. Now the right syringe is the middle one, right? So we use the 1 ml syringe or tuberculin syringe because we need 0.5 ml, and this is the syringe to use if we need to give something less than 1 ml. So lastly, we have this oral liquid medication. So our order is 650 milligrams. So we have the formula here, desired times supply over half. So 650 milligrams times 5 ml over 160 milligrams. Just take note, round to the nearest whole number. So pay attention to the instructions. All right, so we need ml. So you multiply 650 times 5. It's equal to 3,250. Now we divide it by 160. And we have 20.3 ml. But remember, we have to round it to the nearest whole number. So our answer is 20 ml. Now we have to mark the cup, right? Because this is a PO medication and this is the equipment that we have for PO. So we need 20 ml, and this is pretty straightforward. Find the 20 ml mark and you mark it and you shade it. All right, that's it, you guys.